Welcome back, Sprinkler Nerds. I'm excited to share with you a project that I was able to visit this week in Carmel, Indiana. It is the CAR Global headquarters, and the project was installed by Todd Ruggles, who you'll meet in just a minute, and designed and engineered by Larry Camerata of Certified Consultants. So let's jump right in and take a look at this awesome project.
All right.
This is all irrigated. Everything's MPs.
Okay.
Whole site is MPs, so about every 20 feet, rows MPs, drip in all of the landscape beds.
And of course, you got the system in just in time for this heat.
Yeah, and what we found here, which is really interesting, is this building. You see the sod?
Yeah.
See some of the trees that are not real green right now. When we put all this in and this heat kicked in, all that glass started cooking all our plant material.
Oh, the reflection?
Yeah, started cooking the plant material.
Wow.
So you can see some of the turf as it gets closer to the building has really struggled. So there's a lot going on here. So I'll show you our temporary watering situation. So what we're doing is they've got a lake back here, and we've actually drained the entire lake. We've sucked all the sludge out of the bottom, and now we are in the process of putting aquatic plants and fish habitat in the bottom.
Oh, sweet.
Then we'll fill it back up, and then once we do that, we have a well that will actually recharge the pond, and then we'll pull out of the pond with the pump station. Wow.
So is this your temporary setup?
This is our temporary setup. So we're tied directly into our main line right here. And then, like I said, we just set this up as a temporary.
Right, in the city, so you got to have your meter.
Yep.
And the backflow, temporary.
Yep.
Do they charge you a fee for this?
Yeah.
They do? Or a price per 1,000 gallons?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Or per cubic?
Yep. So this is our temporary setup. Basically what I done is I just went over to the main line, we teed into the main, just buried it right up to the sidewalk.
Very cool.
And then just ran this temporary. So what we'll do is when we're ready, we'll just cut this and cap this off right here.
Yep. Okay.
So it's our controller, pump station, aeration unit here. So we've drained this thing completely down, sucked this whole bottom completely. The whole bottom is now covered in sand with pea gravel. We had to build fish habitat in the bottom of this.
Wow.
And now we've got these aquatic.
What does that mean, building a fish habitat?
Well, so basically what you've got is you've got the big round stones down here, and they're setting in different formations, and then there's big pieces of flagstone that's set like this. And so basically the fish can go in, lay their eggs.
So all these stones here will be eventually underwater?
All that will be underwater.
Okay, nice. Got a VFD.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so we've got pressure transducer.
Yep.
And then the flow sensor.
Yep.
And these are probably both wired into the control panel.
Everything is. The aeration unit power comes from here. So he built this so that all the power for the aeration unit comes from here. The well is tied into this also. So the probes actually have a...
Oh yeah, there's the baseline flow sensor decoder mounted right there.
So what we had to do when we got this, so we had to set this thing up. So I'd actually cut a hole in the bottom of this thing because it came with this freaking bottom, and I'm like, how the hell am I going to get on my
conduit runs.
I'm like, how the hell am I going to get into this thing? So I had to actually take that and get that cut out.
So essentially, to get
them
them programmed, what you do is you click search and assign.
Okay.
And then it asks you, what would you like to assign? A zone, a master valve, a pump, a moisture sensor. So if you want to assign a zone, you just press enter or OK.
Okay.
And then you're going to go device assignment.
Okay.
Okay. And now you're going to run what we call a search. So go ahead and press OK.
Okay.
And this is going to go out and retrieve
but it's
all
not going to because my wire's not hooked up.
Okay, yeah.
But
So
anyway.
what it would do is go out, it would get all those decoder addresses and bring them into the controller.
Okay.
And then here on the left-hand side, you'd have a list in numerical order. Then you can select a decoder and choose, this is zone 1, this is zone 6, this is zone 12, and you just make an assignment in the controller, but you don't actually enter any of the addresses.
All right. Where am I going? So, red, black right here.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Woo wee. It's a good thing we got waterproof splices.
Yeah, you like that? Okay. So what do they got going here? There we go.
What this is a 2-station decoder.
Okay.
Because you've got your common.
Yep, and there's 2 in
and
there.
there's 2. And
yep.
so the orange one that's next to the white, that's this
Well,
serial
let's
number.
see if they hooked it up right while we're right here. See where the decoders are at. Okay, so we're good though.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go get a screwdriver.
So that was the end of our site tour. Hope you guys enjoyed all of the nerdiness that us irrigation pros can sometimes get into. And I just want to give Larry Camerata a special thank you for the engineering and design specification. And Todd, you did a great job on the install. So until next time, nerds, happy sprinkling.